Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and a demo of the new Power Bullet Metallic Lipsticks by Huda Beauty. So on the 2nd or the 3rd of December, Monday, today's Wednesday, she released these new lipsticks, which are normal lipsticks and something which she has not done before previously. She has done liquid lipsticks, followed by demi matte, followed by glosses, or whatever. One came before the other, I don't remember. But this is the first time she's released actual lipsticks. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong, I think that these are just for the holidays, but again, correct me below if you know more than I do, because I don't know. So altogether she released 3. They come in this plastic case, which you will probably just get rid of. And I picked mine up in Selfridges. I was in Selfridges yesterday. Funnily enough, Huda Beauty was also there. She was there in the morning, but I weren't getting there at the crack of dawn. No offense, Huda. Love ya, but I love my sleep more. So this is what they look like. They come as a square plastic casing, but it's like the one that has got that soft touch metal sort of feel to it. So this is what they look like. The outside is to reflect the shade inside. So it starts off with the actual shade and then it gradiates into black. So really nice, sleek kind of look. I really like the packaging itself. I think it looks really cool. It looks really sophisticated. I don't feel that it looks naff. Really nice to kind of put on your vanity if you want. Just to show you what the actual bullet looks like. It's not rounded, it's got a kind of, what's the shape? I was never good at shapes. Hexagonal? Is that hexagonal design? You can tell why I went into marketing and nothing to do with maths or anything like that, or finance. But this is what it looks like itself. I personally don't like it. I preferred rounded lipsticks because at the end of the day, I have found it difficult to apply to my lips because of the edges on it. I mean, eventually those edges will kind of smooth out and I think it will be a lot more easier to apply, but because they have got those ridges, it kind of goes outside my lip line, so you've got to be very careful when you apply them. So this first one here is called NYE, and NYE is a gorgeous, it's like a reddish brown but more on the reddish side, and it's got flecks of gold and red glitter in it. This next one here is called Cake Day, and Cake Day is a bright magenta pink shade with lots of blue and silver glitter in it. And then this third shade here is called After Party, which is a purple shade like mixed with berry, and it's got lots of blue and silver glitter in it. So these retail at £18 each, which is quite pricey. I do think that you don't get a lot of product for your money. This is it. I've pulled it up to literally the top of the product and that's it. Normal lipsticks go to about that height. So I'm not sure why we are given such little product. Even if I wind it all the way down, I'm not sure if you can see, I will zoom in up close as much as possible. But you can see that the bullet itself does not even fill out the entire tube. It kind of goes 3/4 of a way and there's a big section at the front which is left. 0.3 grams, 0.10 ounces. Now I don't know what a normal amount for a lipstick is, but just from looking at it with my eyes I can say you're definitely not getting value for money with this product. So let me just read from online what their claims are. So the Power Bullet Metallic Lipsticks are a satin smooth formula that's enhanced with delicate flecks of glimmering glitter. The formula creates a seamless metallic finish that you'll swiftly fall head over heels for. Long wearing, intensely pigmented and non-drying is everything you'd expect from this cult classic brand. With a gleaming high shine finish. And that's it really. That's not much of a description, but hey ho. Alright, my thoughts are, now, it is definitely very smooth to apply, but I can definitely feel the bits of glitter in the lipstick. So it's like got a smooth, gritty feel, which I remember, I think a long time ago, MAC released something similar, and it was exactly the same. I think unless you have managed to somehow blend your glitter down into nothing and mixed it into the lipstick, you are always going to be able to feel bits of glitter in it. Now, I've got very smooth lips. I exfoliate them every single day. And I know it's not my lips. Definitely very intensely pigmented. All 3 of them are. You can see the glitter on the lips. and it does last quite long, but it is like a normal lipstick in that it comes off on everything and anything. Now, because of the fact that she has released 3 lipsticks which are very deep and bright, intense kind of colors, once it starts to wear away, the glitter intensifies even more and you are left with colored glitter all over your lips. It can be patchy in places as well. So this is something you are definitely going to need to reapply. It's not like a liquid lipstick, it's a normal lipstick finish. It definitely has a very kind of glossy look to it as well. It's not matte at all. It feels comfortable on the lips, and it definitely gives you that high shine metallic finish. These are holiday colors. Obviously the names say all: Cake Day, NYE and After Party. So it's all for the holiday season, and that's why they have been released at this time of year. Now, like I said, I don't like the way that they've got their hexagonal bullet at the end. I find it very difficult to not get it outside my lip line. So what I have been doing is I have been using lip liner first and then going and filling it in with my lipstick. That is the only way you can get it to go onto your lips cleanly. They smell like MAC lipsticks. They don't have that normal Huda Beauty scent, that heavily perfumed scent, which is a little bit odd. It's got like that vanilla sort of scent to it, which doesn't really translate onto the mouth and it disappears quite quickly. I would personally give these a 7 out of 10 for those reasons. Number 1, it leaves so much glitter behind. Number 2, they are very staining on the lips. In case you're wondering, normally I come on here with a lipstick on. I have been wearing all 3 of them. I've used Vaseline, I've used everything and anything you can think of. They really heavily stain the lips. And when you're wiping the glitter off, the glitter can get into other places as well. I also don't like the bullet design on the front. I also don't think you get enough value for your money. I mean, seriously, if I hold all 3 of these up close to the screen, you can see exactly how much product you're getting. You see that? That is just not enough at all, especially considering you are paying £18 for these. Very pricey for the product. I like the concept, the fact that she's done something just for the holiday season. You can have a bit of sparkle, a bit of shimmer, but in that kind of respect, I would personally just buy like a lime crime or a Stila lip topper to place it over your liquid lipstick or something like that, and it tends to look a lot nicer on the lips and the glitter is a little bit more obvious. With this, these are metallic and glitter mixed in, so sometimes the glitter doesn't necessarily show through until it starts to wear off. And like I said, when it starts to wear off, you're left with glitter all over your lips and not so much colour, and it don't look cute. So for each of these, I am going to apply them with lip liner, because the point of this video for you guys from me is to show you guys how to wear it if you do choose to buy it anyway. Some of you will be big fans of Huda Beauty, some of you will just want to buy it for that reason, some of you will really like the colours and seen the swatches online, but you may not be necessarily aware that you have to wear it in a certain kind of way without making a huge mess. Put a bit of my foundation around the edges. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to show you guys is this one here, which is called After Party, and the lip liner that I used with it is MAC's Heroin Lip Pencil, because the shades are very, very similar. Okay, so this is After Party. This is like 4 or 5 layers, by the way. You will finish this very, very quickly. Another reason why I'm not too happy with the amount that you get in here. Now, it starts off sheer and you have to build it, you have to build it, you have to build it. The more product that goes on, the more my lips feel gritty. This shade is the one that makes your teeth look yellow, like they haven't been brushed. So this one I would probably say is my least favourite out of all of them. More so just because this is the kind of colour, like I said, makes your teeth look like you ain't been brushing them for a good 10 years. And I don't necessarily like that kind of look. Okay, the next shade that I'm going to be applying is this one here called Cake Day, which is a bright magenta pink. I think most people will probably love this just because it's a bright, sparkly pink and perfect to wear for the holidays other than your usual red. The lip liner I'm going to be using with this is MAC's Talking Points, which is a perfect match for this. So this is Cake Day. Bright, 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 bright. It's a lovely colour, don't get me wrong, I really like the colour of this. Again, feels so gritty. And because you have to apply so many layers to it, I just end up using too much and my lips have started to become quite uncomfortable. Obviously that's not going to happen to you guys. You aren't going to be taking one off, putting one on, taking one off, putting one on, so ignore that bit maybe. But this is what it looks like on my medium skin tone. And for reference, in Huda Beauty's foundation, I am the shade Baklava, which I'm wearing right now. Okay, now that you can see my lips are so stained, I'm going to show you the final one, which is NYE. And the lip liner I'm going to be using with it is MAC's Half Red. So this is NYE. This is, I would say, probably my favourite colour. It's quite vampy. It's a very pretty colour. All of these colours will go with all skin tones, by the way. So, would I recommend these? Probably not. I would say save your money. I think Huda Beauty's matte liquid lipsticks are a lot better. I mean, you definitely get that high glossy, high shine, metallic glitteriness from these lipsticks. But I just don't think that the way that they wear, once they wear off, then you just have glitter left behind. They stain your lips so badly. They come off onto everything. I think that there are definitely more cons than there are pros. But again, it'll be down to personal preference. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, let me know what your thoughts are. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all soon. Bye.